The internet depicted the candidates spewing flames, shooting laser beams, and there was Donald Trump
Vladimir Putin,
making funny faces and distracting noises.
The best ever at it. And you go to so many different places. It certainly looks that way.
As the Donald sniffled, Twitter sneezed. Someone get Trump a tissue. Does Trump have pneumonia? The debate was dubbed the Sniffening. Parody Twitter accounts sprouted pretending to be Trump's sniffle, posting gems like this video purporting to be a compilation of every sniff from the debate. The hashtag Make America Sniff Again circulated. The Donald denied he had a cold or allergies.
No sniffles, no. You know, the mic was very bad, but maybe it was good enough to hear breathing.
The mystery was contagious.
Right. So now we have Snifflegate.
A nose specialist and a body language expert speculated it might be a nervous tick, while others joked about things people sniff that cause sniffing.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue.
The Donald has been a serial sniffer before, for instance, back when he first started using teleprompter.
I wonder why.
And while the Donald sniffed, Hillary shimmied,
Woo, okay.
laughing off Trump's assertion that she has a temperament problem. Her shimmy was put to rap.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy.
A shimmying cat and Shaq and Hillary made the rounds. It could have been worse. At least the shimmy and the sniffle weren't combined.
Woo, okay.
Jeannie Mose, CNN,
Woo, okay.
New York.
I opened a club.